healthy dinner recipes to keep you full all night. If you want to keep your weight off, it's important to eat healthy dinners all the time. Unfortunately, many people get home from work at around 5 or 6 p.m. and don't have time to cook anything complicated enough to fill them up until they go to bed around 11 p.m. or midnight. This leads to late night snacking, which can wreck your weight loss efforts. Here are 5 of my favorite recipes that will help you keep your hunger at bay until you wake up in the morning feeling rested and ready to start your day right. 1. Avocado Egg Salad. This avocado egg salad recipe is perfect for a light lunch or dinner. It's creamy, easy to make, and it will fill you up without the guilt of consuming too much fat. Serve this dish with whole grain bread or crackers, and enjoy. Cauliflower Mac and Cheese. If you love macaroni and cheese but don't want all the calories that come with it, then try this cauliflower mac and cheese recipe. 2. Turkey Taco Bowl. This recipe will make about 4 servings, so you can either have it for dinner plus lunch the next day or divide it up into 2 different dinners. The taco seasoning is made from combining chili powder, cumin, paprika, salt, onion powder, garlic powder and crushed red pepper flakes in a small bowl. Drizzle olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the turkey meat and break it up while cooking until browned. 3. Barbecue Chicken Burrito Bowls. Barbecue chicken burrito bowls are a simple recipe that takes under an hour to make. All you need is a rotisserie chicken, barbecue sauce, black beans, rice, and tortillas. You can make a big batch of these bowls ahead of time so they're ready for when hunger strikes. Simply warm up the burrito bowls in the microwave or on the stove top, then top with cheese, green onions, and cilantro. Serve with some chips or corn on the cob. These burritos will keep your stomach full for hours after dinner. 4. Lentil Quinoa Chili. This recipe is hearty, healthy, and full of flavor. Plus, it's easy to make a big pot of it for the week ahead. If you want something that will keep you feeling full for hours on end, this soup should be your go-to. The kidney beans are packed with protein and fiber while quinoa provides the body with essential amino acids needed to rebuild muscles after a workout or work day. 5. Ground Beef Tacos. Add a little spice to your life with these ground beef tacos. A combination of ground beef, diced onion, garlic, cumin, chili powder, salt and pepper will get things started. Once the mixture is browned, add in canned tomatoes with green chilies for some extra flavor. It's important not to forget about the toppings. Load up on fresh avocado slices or guacamole.